始。
Hello, I'm Mia. I guess you are interested about it. Today, I will introduce the machine for you to meet your curiosity. This is wood chipper. Its function is cut blocks into small pieces. This is a small boy. There are many models in our company. Its output is about 3 to 5 tons per hour. His bigger brother is about 8 to 10 tons per hour. His biggest brother is about 20 to 25 tons per hour. There are 3 parts in the machine. The first part is the feeding belt. The second part is the main wood chip. The third part is the charging belt. This is the feeding belt. The raw material was fed manually or by forklift, including wood logs, wood pressing wheels, and so on. The second part is main wood chipper, the router and the sieve inside it. The third part is this charging belt. The small piece was sent to the process or stored on the ground. So, what does the router look like? Come with me. This is the router. Usually there are 2 connects. His finished product is about 2 to 5 centimeters. The more quantity knife is, the smaller piece is. If you want 2 smaller pieces, we can enclose 2, 4, or 6 knives. 6 knives. The smallest piece is about 1 to 2 centimeters. This is thick. The small piece is smaller than the hole. It can enter the next process. If it's bigger than it, it will be cut again and again. This hole is about 5 centimeters. We also have many different designs to meet your special requirements. So, I believe now you are familiar with the machine. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. That is all. Thank you. Bye bye.